Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the loudest noise with paper. So first, you're going to need a piece of paper. Now this paper has holes on the sides and you don't want holes, so I'm just going to quickly tear these off. One. Up. And two. So then, with your piece of paper, you're gonna want to fold it in half, like a hot dog, not like the hamburger way, the hot dog way. And you should get this. And then you're gonna want to fold it in half again, hamburger way. Just get right, and then do that. And you take it, and you press down on this crease, and then you make sure that this crease is there. And then whenever you have it done, you should end up with this right here. And then you take these two things, push them up, and then it should go into like a curve in the center. And then take your hand and grab the edge of this right here. And listen. Ready? Oh, I messed up that time. Wait, let me try it again. I messed up. Alright, I grabbed the paper itself. So you do this like that, grab it, and you have to make sure that you're not grabbing the paper, and then you just, oh, it's not working. It should be working. Why not? That's somewhat, it should be a lot louder. Let's hold it this way this time. Try it different way. A little bit. And then like this. Alright, try this. There you go. And that's how loud this thing should be. This is the loudest noise with paper ever. And yeah, you can do it at school. I did it at school one day, and these teachers thought I had a gun. I went to Alps for it. But anyway, so like that, like this, pull up, grab this, like that. So that's all for today. Bye.